It's almost evening, so maybe good evening. Sirom is dusk or twilight. So we're nearing evening. I'll be using the time-lapse video of when she took a video, and the scene stealers of the show was a dog and a cat. So we will learn two more words. Dog is ido and cat is kuring. So you will see in the video the cat and the dog stealing the scene. So cat and dog. Let's interview the cat and the dog if they're willing to. Meow, Mimi. So the Miming is the cat. When you call the cat, you call her Mimi. That's how you call the dog in Ilonggo. So there you have it, folks. This is Joan of Art. Another word for this afternoon, sirom. It's already sirom, and you can already hear the cicadas, the sirom sirom, and of course our cat and dog. Yes, this sirom is dusk. Sirom sirom are the insects, the cicadas, the ones that's creating this noise. They sound off at this time of the day during sirom or dusk or sunset or near twilight. So I'll see you again. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up for your like, and do subscribe. We'll come up with more videos. This is Joan White. Love you all.